Hi everyone, it's Jamela, your thrifty girl. We're back again with another video on how we live the lifestyle of the thrift and famous. I hope you enjoy and thank you again for tuning in. Happy New Year and all that jazz. We're counting down the top 8 best thrift finds of 2019. We're going to begin with number 8. This stylish bar cabinet that I found at Restore Habitat that needed tender loving care. And here it is, all cleaned up in my dining room, looking very posh. Number 7, this antique carved buffet. It's close to about 100 years old, but it's looking really nice in my living room. Number 6, a chandelier that I scored for $8.75. And here it is in my living room. Number 5, this vintage Franco Albini settee, and I'm using this little baby in my foyer. Number 4, the Japanese silk screen over my bed. I got that for $20 at the Big Grab Yard sale. Number 3, the fabric for these curtains, just $2 a yard. Number 2, this gold frame bamboo mirror, and it's used at the Brick Cottage Project dining room. And number 1, the glass top replacement for the glass table that I had at the Brick Cottage Project. Indeed, that was the best save of the entire year. And of course, there were other finds along the way, and these were a few other ones. So yes, 2019 did give us a lot of good thrift days. So I hope you became inspired, and as always, happy hunting while you thrift your house into a home. And this is how we live the lifestyle of the thrift and famous. Thank you again for joining me, and I hope you were inspired here at Viva La Vintage for your home.